The workshop was excellent, so informative with great guide Mila, such a different experience to see how movie scenes are developed, improved, technical changes made. An excursion appropriate for all ages? 8 years up. We are huge fans of LOTR franchise and we didn't really know what we were getting into. We were so delightfully surprised that the tour was so much more than just LOTR. The props and animatronics and tour itself were super fun, amazing, and mind-blowing. Our tour guide was Diego, who was really funny and so passionate, and his personality really made the tour. If you're thinking about the tour, stop thinking and just go. Our family of 4, 2 adults and 2 teenagers, had an amazing time at Wētā Workshop Unleashed. Our tour guide, Kat, was very entertaining and kept the energy going the entire time. She made the experience engaging and fun, and it was great for both teens and adults. The exhibits were incredibly creative and immersive. Highly recommend this experience while in Auckland. We really enjoyed the venue. The workshop and tour were fabulous. Our guide Cameron was amazing. He was knowledgeable and generous with responding to questions. My goodness, this excursion was so much fun. My kids loved it and there were so many things to see and learn about. Would absolutely do it again. An absolute must-see in Auckland. We had an amazing time and Mac was an awesome guide. You don't have to be a movie lover to enjoy this tour. Our family had a great time. The tour was so much fun. It felt immersive and had lots of hands-on opportunities to feel involved and inspired. Our daughters are 10 and 12, a great age to enjoy the workshop. Fantastic place to visit in Auckland, a must-see. The tour is very well organized and easy to follow. We had a tour that showed 3 separate themes: horror/special makeup and props, then followed by castle, battle scene dress needs and costumes, finally sci-fi spaceship. It's so great to be able to go into a place and see how things actually work and how something so small in life can be made into such a massive thing in movies. We enjoyed every minute of our time at Wētā. This is a must tour to do. Amazing tour guides and to have a Wētā shop to be able to add to your collection was just the icing on the cake. We were with Kais, team janitor, for our tour and he made the whole experience exceptional. For about 90 minutes non-stop, Kais entertained us with lots of info, anecdotes and hands-on activities for us to appreciate the depth of creativity in Wētā. Being able to take photos and getting photographed were plus points. Just an amazing day at the shop. Thank you for the opportunity to share with us. Staff are amazing and fun.